this impeachment trial is gradually becoming more than just a political showdown eh. 'Di ba? Ang mas lumalabas ngayon is a contest between two different courtroom strategies. Yung one side focused dun sa presenting witness and evidence, while the other is actively challenging how that evidence should be received and considered. Kaya lang yung technique nila at estilo pangtanga eh. No? Objection. Kutya, ang maganda lang dyan, no? Nadi-deny din ng nadi-deny. As more ruling are issued by the impeachment court, no? Mas nagiging malinaw that the discussion is shifting away from yung mga political speeches and moving deeper into legal procedure. 'Di ba? Documentary evidence, courtroom strategy. And that's where the real battle is starting to unfold. For me, this is the point where many Filipinos will begin, no, forming their own impression. Kaya nga ako, matsyag lang ako eh. Pero not because of social media clips kundi because they're now watching how both sides actually perform inside the impeachment court itself. Ang gandang panoorin pagka nakikita mo yung mga kabubuhan ng ibang hindi lang pala ng both sides ng defense saka ng prosecution, kundi para makita mo rin yung kabubuhan ng mga ibang senador. Si Robin Padilla, kulang na lang matay dun eh. No? Tunay na di nasayang ang panonood kanina. Correct. May mga mapupulot ka. Lalo na sa hingal ni Pia Cayetano. Si Pia, kala mo may nakasiksik na vibrators. Kung makaungol, wagas eh. 'Di ba? Ako after watching what happened during day 2, kahapon, hindi yung kanina, no? One thing immediately stood out to me. The prosecution keep moving step by step through its planned presentation, 'di ba? While on the other hand, yung defense repeatedly challenge different parts of proceeding through objection and procedural arguments. Pati ba naman yun? Puta, okay sana eh. Hindi ko rin naman masabing dinaan sa technicalities. Pantanga talaga yung mga diskartehan nila. Yung objection, sabi nga nung kakilala kong abogado na tinanong ko, sabi niya that's normal part of litigation. Pero ang interesting is how the impeachment court responded to each challenge. Pansin nyo ba si Cheese? Kasi ako feeling ko rin napasobra lang talaga yung objection nung kabila, di ba? Pero rumesbak din si Attorney Ligutan kanina, no? Pero mas strategic yung niya nga. Yung mga object niya. Every time the court rule an objection, it's not simply deciding who argued louder. Ang ginagawa ng impeachment court is determining whether the proceeding should continue under the rules, no? Or dapat ba i-acknowledge niya yung Hoy, Boss Axel Roses, shout out! Hindi, yun naman talaga. Tine-check niya kung kaya akala nyo yung pag ino-overrule, akala nyo walang puntos to. Oo nga, bakit parang hingal na hingal yun? Sabog pa yun. Hindi pa daw stress siya nun kung makahingal, wagas. No? Kung di mo alam kung acting o Di ba? Kaya pansinin nyo lagi no? That's why every ruling carries weight, no? Beyond that single moment, kada sablay, overruled or denied or objection, no? yung objection or kahit yung granted, recorded yun. Recorded po yun. Parang yung chess match where one player keeps trying to slow the clock habang the other quietly continues developing position after position after position. Laging one step or 3 steps ahead dun sa kalaban. 'Di ba? Eventually, the audience will stop watching the clock and start watching the board itself. Doon na, yun na yung chess na yung papanoorin. Yung mismong laban na. Ganun yata talaga pag di kinakamusta. Yun lang. Hindi, mukhang ngayon na sobrang sa kakakamusta eh. Masyado ng Ngayon papampam na eh. Sa tingin ko na sobrang sa pangangamusta ngayon yun. Kasi medyo papampam na ngayon eh. Late siguro siya noon magsalita. Parang pagod hinihingal. Oo nga, mamaya reaction na ulit natin ha. Kasi yung day 2, yun talaga yung sobrang hingal. Kaya lang marami siya sinabi. Sabi niya, this will be briefly. Dahil nga naman, okay. Retract. I'll retract my motion. Dito, ang pinapansin namin, yung senator judge, yung hingal, wala lang, hindi naman siya kasali. Tayo, yung pansinin natin yung diskarte ng defense, tsaka yung diskarte rin ng prosecution. Hindi yung mga yung tulo sipon, tulo laway. Kami ba, sinita namin, pasingot-singot ni Narbasa. Ang pansinin mo yung kagaya nung yung important moment, di ba? Na yung prosecution, they presented digital evidence together with testimony intended to establish its authenticity. Di ba? Yun nga kanina eh. Pati si Robin Padilla kanina napapatayo pa dun para magsalita eh. Kinastigo pa eh. Your Honor, Mr. Meron po akong katanungan sa kagalang-galang nating ano ba yung Tagalog niya sa witness? Tagapagpatunay ba? Ating kagalang-galang na tagapagpatunay. Wala kasi sila masabi, Sir BBM, kasi alam nila magaling si Atty. Lubutan. Saksi. Ayun, saksi pala. Ayun, mga kagalang-galang na saksi. At puta, yung depensa mo kung ing na nag-raise ng objection, Alam, yung concerning dun sa material in its presentation, di ba mukhang tanga? Pero yung impeachment court, inalaw pa rin yung proceeding to continue based on its ruling. Sige, that doesn't decide the entire case, Pero it does determine what evidence becomes part of the official record. Kaya doon panalo yung prosecution eh. Kasi ang dami talagang overruled na objection ni Narbasa. Maraming tao ngayon nag-aakala that every objection automatically weakens the other side. Di ba? Yan yung Akala ng mga bopol na DDS eh. Nakada object, wala, humihina yung prosecution. Akala, baka nga hindi lang DDS nag-iisip, baka nga si Narbasang Boplax, yun din ang iniisip eh. Boss Lakay Tiaman, T. Amyanan, shoutout. Lobin Patilya. Sa tingin ko yun ang iniisip ni Narbasa mismo eh. Hindi, kada object ko, humihina yung nila. Kaya mag-object na lang ako ng mag-object. Sabi naman ng mga ibang abogado ng depensya, oo, tama ka, tanga ka eh. Marami talagang tao, akala nila, no? Kada objection, humihina yung kampo ng prosecution. Hindi palaging ganun, no? Sometimes an objection succeeds, sometimes it doesn't. What matters is how the court rules after hearing both arguments. Kaya every denied or sustained objection, no, becomes part of the legal story of the trial. Not just the political story. Akala yata paramihan ng objection eh. Nakakahiya maging Pilipino dahil sa senador na natin si Robin Padilla. Yun nga. Kaya ako hindi na ako nagtatanong eh. Mamaya po tiyan. Who's that senator? Pagka tinanong ako nung... Pero isa pang detalye, no, that I found significant was how the presiding officer occasionally reminded counsel about yung courtroom procedure and keeping the proceeding moving, di ba? Si Senator Cheese. Ito, ang galing, no? Sabi ni Boss Gerald Nyo, makukumpleto na ang meaning ng BJMP. Bong, Jinggoy, Marcoleta, and Padilla ba? Or... parang akala mo maliit lang yung mga ganung moment eh. No, yung pagka na overrule, 'di ba? Pero inside any legal proceeding, courtroom management is part of ensuring that both sides are heard while keeping the trial on track. For me, the bigger lesson from day 2 isn't who delivered the strongest soundbite outside the Senate. Ang mas importante is how each side is building credibility inside the impeachment court. Every witness, every admitted exhibit, every ruling, and every objection, no, adds another piece to the overall picture that the senator judges will eventually evaluate. Kaya, kung kunyari meron akong gustong iiwan, no, sa atin ngayong gabi, it's this eh. Impeachment trials are rarely, no, madalang na dinidesisyonan by headlines alone. Kahit yung mga previous impeachment na nangyari sa history ng Pilipinas, hindi. They are shaped over time through courtroom rulings, through evidence presented on the record. And syempre, yung ability of each side to support its argument under the rules. Kaya, every detail counts. Huwag din tayo masyadong puntos natin, no? Yung sa atin lang. Puta, ilista din natin. Ilista din natin yung mga argumento nila. Baka mamaya may punto din yung kabila eh. Para at the end of the day, mapagtali natin in our own little way. Kaya habang nagpapatuloy yung trial, the clearer picture will come not from political noise, but from what is actually established inside the proceedings themselves. Kaya, putya, huwag tayo magpapadistract sa mga ganyan-ganyan na yung sipon-sipon, yung laway-laway. Utot nyo. Doon kami sa sa talagang konteksto. 'Di ba? Tayo nagpapaniwala sa mga tukmol na to. Good job, prosecutors team. Correct.